going to discuss one of the important concept of matrices, that is multiplication of matrices or matrix multiplication. Uh, it is not like addition and subtraction. See, if we have a two matrices A and B, now multiplication of these two matrices, this first matrix, multiplication of matrices here is the first matrix, so it is known as pre-matrix, and B is a second matrix, it is known as post matrix. Like if you want to multiply B with A, then B is a pre-matrix. The first one is pre-matrix, second one is a post matrix. Okay, now what is the condition? If you want to multiply A with B, then the condition is, first of all you have to write the order of matrix A. Let us say order of matrix is 3 by 4. Now the condition is the order of B should be start with this number, means 4 by anything. You can write here anything, even you can write here anything, but this should be same. So what is the condition? Number of columns of pre-matrix, number of columns of pre-matrix and number of rows of post-matrix should be equal. Then and then it is possible to multiply two matrices. So if there are two matrices C and D, if the order of C is 2 by 3, then order of D must be 3 something. You can write 3 by 3, possible. Now if we multiply these two matrices, then we get one another matrices, let us say and the order of matrix X should be this 2 by 3. So if we multiply two matrices, then we get one another matrices, that is known as the resulting matrices, resultant matrices, and the order of that resulting matrices should be number of rows of pre-matrix and number of columns of post-matrix. So now if you have idea about this concept, then let us discuss one simple example. Suppose there is one matrix A 2 by 3, B 2 by 2, C 3 by 3, D 3 by 2, and there is a question, check whether A into B is possible or not. Can you tell me A into B is possible or not?
No, sir.
No.
Not possible, because this is 2 by 3 and this is 2 by 2, and see these two are not same, so it is not possible. Okay, can you tell me what is B by is possible or not? B into A.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Let us check. What is order of B? 2 by 2. And what is order of A? 2 by 3. And see these two are equal. So here A into B is not possible, but B into A is possible. And if we multiply this, we get one other matrix, let us say P. What is the order of P? What should
2
be the
by
order
3.
of
2
P?
by 3.
2 by
2
3.
by 3.
2 by 3.
2 by 3. Correct. Now tell me, B into C is possible or not?
Not possible.
No, sir.
Not possible. Okay. C into B is possible or not?
Not
Not
possible.
possible.
Okay. See, here AB is not possible, but BA is possible. Here BC is not possible and CB is also not possible. Okay. Tell me, AD is possible or not?
Possible.
Yes.
Possible.
AB 2 by 3, 3 by 2. Okay, let us assume the resulting matrix is X. What is the order of X?
2 by 2.
2 by
2 by 2.
2 by 2. Correct, correct. Now tell me, what is D into A? Possible or not, first of all?
Possible.
6.
Possible. And let us say we get resulting matrix Y. What is the order of Y?
3 by 3.
3 by 3 by 3.
3 by 3. Now, yes, here ADE is possible, DA is possible, but they should not be same, because whatever A into D, that is 2 by 2 matrices, and D into A, it is a 3 by 3 matrices. So there is no question for the equality of matrices, because for equality of matrices there are two conditions. First condition, order should be same. Here first condition is violated, so we can say that it is not possible. That means AD is not equal to DA. Here in this situation, AB is possible, sorry, not possible, but BA is possible. Here BC is not possible, CB is not possible. Here both are possible, but they are not equal. So that type of situation is always there. So there is no restriction about, like, if AB is possible, then BA should be possible, or if AB is not possible, then BA should not be possible. It's not like that. Only you have to follow the condition. So now this is the only regarding whether A into B is possible or not. So let us take one small example to get better idea about how to multiply two matrices. How to multiply two matrices. Let us start this question number 50. Now see the question. A is given. Sorry. First row values are 4, 5, 6 minus 2, and 3, 7. B, first row 2, 5, 7, second row 8, 4 minus 3. First of all, tell me, what is the order of A? Order of A.
2 by 2.
2 by 3. 2 by 3.
How many rows are there? How many rows are there? First row,
2.
second row,
3 by
and
2.
third row. There are 3 rows. And how many column?
2.
Yes, this is first column, and this one is second column. So, what is order of A now?
3 by 2.
Yes, it is 3 by 2. Because there are 3 rows. First of all, we have to write number of rows. Okay, what is the order of B?
2 by 3.
2 by 3. Now, what is the question? Find AB and BA. So let us start. Now, A into B. First of all, tell me whether A into B is possible or not?
Possible.
Possible. So now what we have to do? See, first of all, you write matrix A. Then, without any sign, even don't do this thing. Don't put dot sign, multiplication sign. You and write B. Now see how to multiply. So the rule is, select the first row of pre-matrix. See, this is our pre-matrix and this is our post-matrix. Select the first row of pre-matrix. So which are the elements of first row of pre-matrix?
4.
Yes, this one. Now select the first column of post matrix. So which are the elements of first column of post matrix?
2, 8.
2, 8.
2, 8. Correct. Now multiply first with first, second with second, first with first, second with second, and tell me the values. If we multiply first with first, what we
8.
get? 8. And second with second?
40.
40.
40.
40. Yes, we have to add this to number. We have to add this to number. Okay, now select first row and second column. First row, second column. And once again, first with first,
20.
second with second. What?
20 plus
Yes,
20.
first with first, 20. And second with second,
20.
20. So you have to write 20 plus 20. Now, first row, third column. First with first, second with second. Tell me.
28.
Yes, and then?
Minus 15.
Correct. So you have to write minus 15. If it is minus, then minus 15. Okay, first row with all columns over. So let us complete the matrix, and now we have a first row of this matrix. Now select second row and first column. Second row, first column. Second row, first column. Now first with first, second with second, and tell me the values.
12.
Correct. Then?
Minus 16.
Correct. Now second row with second column. Yes, please.
30.
Hmm.
Minus 8.
Then
Minus 8.
minus 8. Correct. Yes, perfect. Now second with third column.
21.
No. Second with third column. 42. Yes, 42.
42.
42.
42.
Plus
Then
6. Plus 6.
Plus 6.
plus 6, because minus 2 minus 3 plus 6. Okay. Now second column is over. Third row, sorry, second row is over. Now third row, first column. Tell me the values.
6.
6 plus
Plus
56.
56.
Correct. Next.
15. 28.
Plus 28. Correct. Next.
21.
Hmm.
Minus 21.
Correct. And now do the calculation. You will get the value of AB. Okay. What is first one? 8 plus 40. That is what? 48. 20 plus 20. That is what? 40. 28 minus 15. That is what? 13. 12 minus 16. That is what? Minus 4. 30 minus 8. 22.
22.
Yes. Then 48.
48.
Yes.
62.
Then 62.
43.
Then 43. And then 0. And now tell me, what is the order of AB? What is the order of this matrix?
3 by 3.
3 by 3.
3 by 3. Correct. So see the answer. 48, 40, 13. That is first row. 48, 40, 13. First row. Minus 4, 22, 48. Second row. Minus 4, 22, 48. Second row. 62, 43, 0. Third row. 62, 43, 0. Third row. Okay. Now let us do the calculation. B by B into A. Now B into A. So first of all, you write matrix B. 2, 5, 7 in first row. 8, 4, minus 3 in second row. Then you have to write matrix A, 4, 5, 6, minus 2, and 3, 7. Rule is same. Select first row of pre-matrix. Which are the elements of first row pre-matrix?
2.
First row
2, 2, 5, 7.
of pre-matrix. Correct. 2, 5, 7. And first column of post-matrix.
4, 6, 3.
4, 6, 3.
Correct. Now same thing. Multiply first with first, second with second, and third with third if there is third element. And here third element is there. Okay, first with first,
8.
second with second,
30.
30.
and third with
21.
third.
21.
21.
Perfect. So this is over. Now first row, second column. Tell me.
10.
10.
Minus 10.
Minus 10.
Minus 10.
49.
49.
Plus 49. Over. Now first row, first column over, second column over. There is no third column. So let us complete the bracket. Complete the matrix. Now second row and first column multiply.
32. 32.
32. Yes.
24.
24.
24.
24.
Correct.
Minus 9.
Minus
Correct.
9.
Minus 9. Perfect. Perfect.
40.
Now, yes, 40.
Minus 8.
Correct.
Minus 21.
Minus 21.
Correct. So, final answer for BA 59,
49.
49. Then
47.
47. And then
11.
11. So that is the value of BA. What is order of BA? 59, 49, 47, 11. And what is order of BA here? It is 2 by 2.
2 by
So
2.
obviously here AB is possible, BA is also possible, but there is no question for equality because their order are different. So always we have this situation, AB and BA should not be equal. They are equal only in one case. AB equal to BA is possible only in one case, if A equal to B. If A and B are same. And if A into B is possible, then B into A is possible. And in that case, they are equal. Otherwise, they cannot be equal. Okay. Means if A and B, that is, if A is not equal to B, then always AB and B are different. Means AB is not equal to BA. So it's not like simple multiplication. Okay, let us take one more example. Let us do this question number. Okay, A is given, B is given, C is given. A, it is 2672. B, minus 3508. and C. 4795. And here what we have to do? We have to prove that ABC equal to ABC. See, order is same here. ABC equal to ABC. This is what we want to prove, but it's like this. AB into C equal to A into BC. So this is always true. Or A into BC, it's same thing. A into BC equal to AB into C. So we want to prove this thing here according to the question. So let us start. First of all, let us find out BC. So let us start BC. What is order of A here? Obviously 2 by 2. B is 2 by 2 and C is 2 by 2. So now B into C. So what we have to do? Same thing. First of all, write B. Then write C. Now multiply. The rule is same.
Minus
First row,
12.
first column. Yes. Minus 12
45.
plus 45. Yes. That is first element. Second.
Minus 21.
Plus.
Plus 25.
Correct. Over. Now second row, first column.
0.
Plus
2.
72.
72. Perfect. Now second row, second column.
56.
No.
0.
0. Second
Plus.
row,
40.
And plus 40.
second column. Yes. First with first. 0 into 7 is 0. Now 8 into 5, 40. So BC, which are the elements? First one is 33. Then
33. 4.
4
72.
72.
40.
And 40. 40.
This is BC. Now let us start left hand side. What is left hand side?
AB.
Left hand side is not AB,
A into
BC. Yes. See the left hand side. It is A into BC. So we have value of A. What is A here? It is given 2672. 2672. Then you have to write BC. Which are the elements of BC?
33. 72.
Correct. So you have to
40.
write like this: 33, 4, 72,
33.
and 40. Yes, this is basic. And now it's routine. Okay, find out the value.
66.
Correct. 66 plus
432.
432. Correct. Now first row, second column.
8.
Yeah.
240.
Correct. First row over. Second row, first column.
231.
231 plus
144.
correct. Perfect. And second row, second column.
28.
28 plus
80.
80. So now let us write the answer. What is the answer? So here 8, 9, 498,
498.
248, 375,
375.
and 108. This is left hand side, let us say equation 1. This is the value of A into BC. So now left hand side is available. Now we want to prove left hand side equal to right hand side. But for right hand side, first of all, what we have to do? What we have to calculate first of all?
A into B.
Correct. A
AB.
into B. Yes. So now let us start A into B. So first of all, we have to write matrix A. Matrix A 2672. Then matrix B minus 3508. Okay. Now do the calculation. Multiply. Tell me the first one.
-6.
Minus 6.
Plus 0.
Then plus 0. Perfect.
Plus 0.
Next. Correct.
10.
Next.
10.
Hmm.
48.
Correct.
16.
Minus
Then
21.
hmm.
0.
Correct. Then
35.
hmm.
16.
Correct. So we get minus 6, 58, minus 21, and 51. This is AB. Now, right hand side. Our right hand side is AB into C. Our right hand side is AB into C. So let us multiply this AB with C. So first of all, you're right, matrix AB. Okay, tell me what we would write here in first row.
-6. 58.
Hmm,
Minus
correct.
21. 51.
Correct. And then matrix C. Matrix C 4795. And now let us do the same calculation. Tell me the values.
-24.
Correct.
522.
522. Next.
-42.
Correct.
290.
Perfect. So this is first row. Second row.
-84.
Hmm,
459.
correct.
-147.
Correct.
255.
Okay. Now let us check the value.
498.
Yes.
498.
Then 248.
248.
Hmm,
375.
hmm.
108. 108.
And C equation 1 and 2. We have a same value in equation 1 and 2. So from 1 and 2 we can say that ABC equal to ABC. Actually order is same, but it's look like this only. A into BC equal to AB into C, and it is always true. So this is the way to find out the multiplication of two matrices. So you can do this is your homework. Find AB and BA. This one also you can consider as your homework. I think this is enough for today. We will continue with question number 16 in our next lecture. If you have any question, you can ask your doubt.